So a few days ago, Tingman announced his 21x21 charity cubing livestream, which will be happening next weekend. He's partnering with Habitat for Humanity, whose vision is to help create a world where everyone has a safe and decent place to live. I decided to donate to this cause, but instead of just donating and that being the end of it, I thought it would be a good idea if I did some sort of challenge, so that not only would I donate, some of the people who watched the challenge video might also be motivated to support the cause. I decided to do 50 solves, and every time I did not solve a Rubik's Cube in under 10 seconds, I had to add $1 to the total donation. Since I average around 10 seconds, I guessed I would probably end up donating around $25. And with that, I started doing solves. As many of you guys know, my main 3x3 broke a couple of days ago, so I'm using my budget magnetic Meilong for the time being. I'm slightly slower on this cube than my WRAM, so I'll probably be donating more because of that. Since there's nothing super exciting I want to talk about the solves, I'm literally just solving a cube 50 times. I'm just gonna talk to you guys about what Tingman's fundraiser is for, obviously, so if you guys want to, you can donate as well. It's totally understandable if you're young and can't donate, of course. Last year I didn't donate either, but this year I just felt like I needed to do something right for the world, and Tingman's fundraiser really spoke to me for reasons I'll get into later. As for what the fundraiser is, from responding to disasters and helping people amidst the pandemic, Habitat for Humanity are doing everything they can to give help and support those who need it the most. They put roofs over the heads of countless individuals and are constantly changing people's lives for the better. As for why I donated to Tingman's fundraiser instead of just donating to Habitat for Humanity in my country, well, as a cuber, you rarely see someone in the cubing scene band together cubers from across the globe to do something to improve the lives of others. It really is motivating to me to see that us cubers aren't just some random kids who like turning plastic toys. We have a community of learners and individuals around the planet who are willing to come together to achieve things to make the world a better place. Dang it. Messed up the last solve, so yeah, that's it. That's 50 solves, so let me just check the statistics. So right here it says that in total I have 16 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 22 solves above 10 seconds. So I'm going to be donating $22 to Tingman's fundraiser now. And with that, I headed over to the website, entered the amount $22, and I clicked donate. For those of you watching who are thinking about donating, do it. As I said, the cubing community isn't just about solving cubes, and if we can band together to raise money for such an honorable cause, then that truly is something. It's perfectly fine if you either can't or decide not to donate, but if you can and decide to donate, then honestly, you are amazing. Now, before we end off today's video, I just wanted to really quickly talk about Tingman. From his One Cube Many Cubers to the Cubing Battle Royale to his annual charity live streams, Tingman always finds a way to bring the cubing community together. In the charity live streams in particular, I admire Tingman's dedication to our world and going the extra mile to collaborate with others around the globe to make the world a better place. If you haven't subscribed to Tingman yet, go do so and watch the live stream with other cubers next weekend. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.